Congrats on your new iBaby Carom 7, your total care system. Setup is quick and easy so you can start using your monitor right away. First, make sure your iOS device is connected to Wi-Fi. You will need a 2.4 or 5 GHz internet connection to install your monitor. Next, download the iBaby Care app from the App Store. If this is your first iBaby product, register and create an account. Now, connect the power adapter to the back of the monitor and then plug it into a power outlet. The monitor will take up to a minute to power on. Wait up to a minute until you hear a jingle. Once the monitor is on, connect the USB cable from your mobile device to the monitor. Click Allow when the app asks you for permission to share Wi-Fi settings and communicate with the monitor. Next, launch the iBaby Care app and select the iBaby M7 monitor to begin installation. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app will then prompt you to unplug the USB cable once the connection is complete. Once the monitor is set up, the app will give you a short tutorial. Congrats, your iBaby Carom 7 is now ready to be used. Enjoy your new iBaby Carom 7, your total care system.